Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today, saw these at my local Target. Star Wars The Mandalorian cards. Little blaster box. Journey of the Child. And I'm pretty sure they did not put out any hobby boxes of this stuff. It's a 32 card set featuring the child from season 1 of The Mandalorian, Baby Yoda. So let's see what these cards are like here. They're only 10 bucks, so it's like, hey, I'll take some Baby Yoda cards for 10 bucks. I'm sure they're going to put out a actual like hobby set of The Mandalorian. I can't wait for that because that show was really good, and they can do a lot of cool stuff with that set, I think. Oh, cool. Got the Mandalorian symbol right there. That's pretty sweet. Oh, you can see it there. Yeah, that's cool. Interesting. That's it. They're on there in the little flapper right there. So here's the cards. I bet you they're a complete set. Yeah, there he is. Enter the Child. An unexpected bounty. Here's what the back of the cards look like, by the way. Oh, quite a bit of stuff there to read about it. Yeah, and this is card 2, so you do get like a full set. So, if you don't want to see spoilers, here, let me put these down like this so I keep them in order. Then, maybe you don't want to watch this, but there's Along for the Ride. Taking aim with the Mandalorian. Witness to the Mudhorn fight. It's not a toy. Some great scenes there of Baby Yoda. Imperial Drop-Off. Giving in to the child. Don't touch that. There's some great memes with this little scene. One of the best Star Wars scenes that they've put out for a very long time, I think. Not staying put. Breaking up the fight. Into the village. Saying goodbye. An unexpected passenger. A new friendly face. A temporary caretaker. The child revealed. Unwise taunts. I told you that was a bad idea. Into the care of Kuyo. Meeting the child. Running toward the Razor Crest. Speeder Bike Delight. Looking up. Blasting off with the Phoenix. We got a green. I told you that was a bad idea. Ooh, and a red. Green's not numbered or anything. And a red. Enter the Child. Hey, that is numbered. 97 down 99. Sweet. I don't have any sleeves over here, but that's pretty sweet. Got a numbered Baby Yoda card. And then we got these inserts. Illustrated art cards. That one's cool. Looks like it would be a sticker, but it's not. Alright, so those are cool. And we got a numbered card out of 99. So, pretty cool Baby Yoda set. And I'm going to definitely keep this little symbol there. That is cool. The Mandalorian symbol. Alright, stay tuned for more videos.